Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cowichan, local and long-distance movers near me. A trustworthy and cheap North Cowichan moving company can make relocating simple. When you hire 3 movers, you get inexpensive rates with the most dependable local and long-distance moving services in the area. We know how to get you moved fast and efficiently. Our team has helped many clients move their furniture, household items, business equipment, office equipment, and so much more. Our long-distance moving services will help ensure that you get just what you need. We even offer packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. A long-distance move is any move of 100 miles or further. When this is the type of move you need to handle, we're ready to help. Our team can help you relocate your home, business, or both. Choosing to hire a Canada moving company for your local move might not seem necessary. However, when you stop and think about all the heavy items you have to move, it becomes clear you need to hire professional movers. With 3 movers helping you with a local move, you'll have nothing to worry about. We know how to get you settled into your new location faster and with more energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cowichan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.